This is only 7'10" on the inside. To have a functional crane, I mean, you kind of need a lot of space. But given that this can lift whatever that is, maybe about nearly 6 feet. Most of this stuff, pretty well below that, is exactly why you need a crane. I believe this weighs about 400 pounds. So I'm not going to stand under this beam, but I would say that that's pretty solidly off the ground. So you can see how it's misaligned, which might just mean adjusting those rollers a little bit. The reason I'm doing this is I need to use this plate for some smacking. I don't do that on that vise. So I would call that somewhat of a success, especially because you don't see too many gantry cranes in shipping containers.